I have no idea if this is going to work. Over the next 30 days, I'm documenting my journey, trying to build income streams using AI, automation, SaaS products, and everything I've learned over the 16 years of working as a creative director. No screenshots, no stupid rented Lamborghinis, no I made $1 million overnight, just the real journey, the wins, the failures, the mistakes, and hopefully some money along the way, of course. So let's get started. Hey everyone, my name is Michael. I've spent the last 16 years working in design, creative leadership, branding, marketing, UX, and product development. I've worked with large companies, small companies, startups, government organizations, airlines, technology companies, and brands across the UAE, USA, and internationally. But something has changed recently. AI is changing the way we work. AI is changing the way we build products. AI is changing the way businesses operate. And instead of sitting on the sidelines watching it happen, I've decided to jump in and start building. Not just talking about AI, actually using it, testing it, breaking it, learning from it, and documenting everything publicly. The reason I'm creating this channel is simple. Everywhere I look, people are talking about AI, but very few people are showing the actual process from A to Z, the real work, the failures, the late nights, the bugs, the products that don't even launch, the ideas that don't make money. Why? Because I want this channel to be different. I want to show the entire journey from idea to execution. Whether it's building a SaaS product, creating AI-powered tools, launching digital products, automating workflows, or experimenting with new ways to just generate income online. This is what we're here for, just to see if we can do it. And for me, you'll see everything. So right now I'm working on a few different projects. One of them is called PayPing, and I got a few other ones which I will introduce. It's a SaaS platform designed to help freelancers and small businesses get paid faster through invoicing and automated payment reminders. I'll be sharing the design process, the AI workflows that I use, the development, the challenges and things I've overcome, and hopefully the first customers. And I'm also experimenting with AI generated products, so digital assets, automation tools, content systems, and other ideas that could potentially become real businesses. Some of them will fail, some of them might work. We don't know. So, and that's exactly what makes this interesting, right? Throughout this journey, I'll be using tools like ChatGPT, Claude for research, planning, content, and problem solving, Figma for product design, and there's a new one called Stitch from Google, and user experience. Lovable for building software products fast. If you haven't tested out Lovable, go ahead and do it now. It's free. You get 5 credits daily. So I know it's not much, but five credits stretches a long way. And Lovable is the software that I'm going to be working in primarily. Pinterest and design inspiration websites to gather references and ideas, because you need to start somewhere and you need to feed the AI certain types of designs that you like, so it can basically when it's coding, it can base its designs off those references. Runway and other AI tools for content creation, and whatever new tools appear along the way, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm always seeing 2-3 updates on AI every week. And my goal isn't to just use AI to replace creativity, it's to use AI to move faster and spend more time building, because that's what matters. My goal over the next 30 days is very simple. I'll show up every day, I'll build something, I'll learn something, I'll share everything with you guys, and we see what happens. You can even follow along if you wanted to. I don't know how much money I'll make. I don't know how many subscribers this channel will get. I don't know which ideas will succeed, but we're gonna find out together. If you're interested in AI startups, SaaS products, design, automation, building businesses, or just following along on a real journey, subscribe and come along for the ride. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you exactly the AI tools I'll be using and why they're a part of my workflow. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.